Create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Make the background color black. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. The text should be white. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. The bottom text layer will be the blast layer. Select the top text layer. Make this text black. Select the blast layer. Click on the FX icon and select Stroke. Copy these settings. Right-click on the blast layer and select Rasterize Layer Style. Go to Edit. Transform. Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Go to Filter. Stylize. Wind. The method is blast and the direction is from the right. Go to Filter and select Wind. Do this 2 times to enhance the effect. Go to Edit. Transform. Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Place the blast effect behind the text. You can use your arrow keys to do this. Click on the FX icon and select Gradient Overlay. Create or select a gradient. You can find the settings I used here. And that's how you create a text with gradient blast effect.